This is Paul. Yes. Now, the prosecutor is encouraged to notify the victim. Yeah. You should have told her. Right. And the Jefferson County Sheriff's Department? Yeah. That you decided to not prosecute. Yeah. Now, decision to prosecute. There's a standard, and I just took a screen print of it. I want you to know that I'm going to make sure that everybody on Facebook understands. Yeah. Decision to prosecute a standard. Yeah. Crimes against persons will be filed if sufficient admissible evidence exists. Which, when considered with the most plausible, reasonable, foreseeable defense, yeah, that could be raised under the evidence, would justify conviction by a reasonable and objective fact finder. Now, with regard to offenses prohibited by RCW 98.44.040, and these other 9As, the prosecutor should avoid pre-filing agreements or diversions intended to place the accused in a program of treatment or counseling, so that treatment, if determined to be beneficial, can be provided pursuant of RCW 9.94A or .60670. Yes. Now, crimes against property, other crimes will be filed if the admissible evidence is of such convincing force, yeah, as to make it probable that a reasonable and objective fact finder would convict after hearing all the admissible evidence and the plausible defense that could be raised. Yeah. Now, here's what's happened. Yeah. Standard. Right now! Why don't you get me the login for every prosecuting attorney in every county and city of the United States? Yeah. For all of you that had spent so much time working on your cases at home, Nichols. Yeah. I just want to make sure that you were just reading the cases, because this standard for prosecuting me, yeah, this is a large lawsuit, one of these big ones, yeah, where I involve every prosecuting attorney in every county. See, crimes against persons which will be filed if sufficient admissible evidence exists. Yeah. Now, this is not sufficient admissible evidence. No. This is sufficient evidence that exists. Yeah. That you should have never prosecuted me. Oh, right now! You should have never prosecuted. Now, for those that question, yes, this whole idea of the standard. Yeah. I am suing you and the Jefferson County Prosecuting Attorney's Office. Yeah. And every prosecuting attorney's office in all the superior courts right now for not realizing that it is the sufficient admissible evidence. This idea of the underlying protection order had nothing to do with it. The accusation was being in Sequim, Washington at 7:47 a.m. on December 31st of 2015 and 4:48 p.m. on December 31st of 2015. The accusation was being in Jefferson County, yes, in Brandon, Washington, on June 16th of 2017, where all of my evidence proves I was not there. Now, for the idiots who are in appointments of the